Alright. Right here is the new 3DS XL.
What, cuz? Aren't you gonna unbox it?
I am unboxing it.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
If
Are you recording the video?
Yeah. If I know how to...
That's 0% chance that you recording the video. Recording it?
Alright. I'll finally open up this box. They give you AR cards.
Thanks to your hand, because if you didn't have any hands, you wouldn't be able to open the box.
Good. And then there's the 3DS. Pretty awesome,
I
right?
hate oranges.
Then open it up. It's crisp clean. This is the new C-Stick button right here. iPhones suck at recording. The new home button. Back. And comes with a pen.
What, cuz?